I've got a wonderful corn and butternut squash.
Love butternut squash.
I do too. We're just gonna saute it. I've got 2 strips of bacon that I've cooked extra crispy.
2 strips.
2 strips. Why bother, right? Why even heat up the stove?
That's not even half a sandwich worth.
I know it. So, son, what we need to do is peel our butternut squash.
Y'all be sure and join us next week when we finish our butternut squash. Best dishes.
Here, smart Alec. So I'll do your onion. How's that? Bacon grease that we've rendered out of 2 pieces of bacon. You know, it's not a bunch, but just enough that it's gonna give our onions some fat. Now, son, I'm gonna add some butter, just a couple of tablespoons to my bacon grease.
Good plan. This is not an easy thing to peel.
No, it's not, son. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the second half of our onion.
This is a trick, not a treat.
In fact, if your husband is around, you know, you might want to get him to help you with this task. We're gonna take our seeds out. I'm gonna take the spoon and I'm just gonna haul out, y'all, like the spidery, veiny part.
You want it cubed up?
Yes, please, darling. Look, y'all. This is my witch. She will scare the britches off of you if you go by and you accidentally make a loud noise and you're not expecting her to start screaming. I saw Michael Groover the other night.
Did he jump out of his skin?
He is not a scary type man, but he whistled for the dogs as he was walking by her. And all of a sudden, she started that cackling, and he like to jumped into the next room. It was so funny. All right. Now, I'm gonna take my bacon. You know, it's so nice and crisp, I don't even think I have to cut it. I think I can just rip it up. And then we're gonna drop our butternut squash into our onions.
How about this corn, Mom?
And we're gonna drop our corn, too. Now, we're using a half a cup of just a whole kernel corn. You know, if you've got fresh, if fresh is in season, by all means use it. Okie doke, son, toss that in. Along with the corn, 1½ teaspoons of dried mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm just gonna do a little chiffonade of fresh basil. Sprinkle that over our squash. I'm gonna try our squash.
Yeah, good too.
It's delicious.